As a BPO owner, I see the company as a bridge between businesses and their customers. My goal is to provide reliable, efficient, and high quality service to our clients by managing parts of their business processes, often customer support, technical support, or back office tasks. I focus on building a strong team, maintaining good client relationships, ensuring data security, and keeping operations cost effective and competitive. I also invest in training and technology to stay ahead in rapidly changing global market. Success for me means not just profit, but client satisfaction, agent well-being, and sustainable growth. I am the frontline representative of the company. I handle calls, chats, or email from customers, helping them solve problems, answer questions, or guide them through processes. I follow specific protocols, but also use empathy and communication skills to ensure every customer feels heard and helped. Working in a BPO means adapting to different time zones, dealing with pressure, and being consistent with quality service. My performance affects not only customer satisfaction, but also the company's reputation and contract stability. It's challenging, but rewarding when I make a customer's day better. I usually interact with agents without knowing they are outsourced. All I care about is getting fast, accurate, and respectful service. Whether I'm calling about a billing issue, a tech problem, or a product inquiry, I expect the agent to be knowledgeable and helpful. If the experience is smooth and efficient, I leave satisfied. But if it's poor, I'm at lost trust in the brand. For me, the BPO is invisible, but how it performs make a big difference in how I see the company I'm doing business with.
BPO is more than just answering calls or handling data. It is the heart of global businesses support. From the perspective of the owner, it is a vision built on strategy, trust, and innovation. For the agent, it is a career built on communication, skill, and resilience. And for the customer, it is the silent partner that delivers service, support, and satisfaction. BPO is about connection, bridging people, businesses, and solutions across the world.